Hey guys. Our Roblox names are Dead Dragon 1020 for Florida and CJB, Cool Kid, for Wolf. If you want to donate Robux to us, then you can join our Roblox group. Link to them are in the pinned comment and the description. We hope you guys can join them. Bye!